Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are your Spectrum internet is down and you're staring at that annoying red blinking light on your modem or router. Don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to troubleshoot and hopefully get your internet back up and running. First, let's talk about what that red blinking light means. On most Spectrum modems and routers, a blinking red light usually indicates one of two things. One, there's no internet connection. Two, there's a hardware or signal issue that needs attention. Step 1, check if there's a Spectrum outage in your area. You can do this by visiting spectrum.net or using the My Spectrum app, or just call Spectrum's support line at 833-267-094. If it's an outage, you might just have to wait it out. But if there's no outage, let's move on. Step 2, do a simple power cycle. Here's how. Unplug your modem and router from the power outlet. Wait at least 60 seconds. Plug them back in. Modem first, then router. Wait for the lights to stabilize, usually about 2 to 5 minutes. If the red light goes away and turns solid blue, you're good to go. Step 3, check all the cables. Make sure the coaxial cable is screwed in tightly to both the modem and the wall out. Check the power cable and Ethernet cables. If anything looks damaged, consider replacing it. If nothing has worked so far, try a factory reset. Find the small reset button on the back of your modem router. Press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Using a paperclip or pen, wait for it to reboot completely. Heads up, this will reset your network settings, so you'll need to reconfigure your Wi-Fi name and password afterward. If that pesky red light is still blinking, it's time to call Spectrum support. There might be a bigger issue like a faulty modem or a problem with the signal coming into your home. And that's it. Those are the steps you can take when your Spectrum internet isn't working and you see that red blinking light. Hopefully this helped you get back online. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.